welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys my whole glow up routine, you can say, because it's my birthday week and my birthday is before Diwali. So yes, I'm going on the trip, so I need to prepare myself. And you can see my current situation. It's like completely dull, damage and everything, so I'm just gonna clean it. And I'm going to do whole body care routine and my hair care as well. So yes, I'm excited for my trip. So let's start and share each and every update on my Insta and WhatsApp as well. And I'll try to make a long format video as well wherever I'm going on a trip. So yes, let's start the vlog. So this is my current update. You can see my eyebrows and everything is too much, and the hair is also not looking good. So I need to wash it. I need to do hair spa, and then my face is also looking so dull because my sleeping schedule is too much hectic now. I don't know why I'm not able to sleep on time. Every day I sleep around 4:30 a.m. I don't know why. So I need to fix that as soon as possible. So because of that I'm getting dark circle. My skin is not doing well, and yeah. So let's begin with the vlog. So hello. So yes, first I will do my हेयर ऑयलिंग बिकॉज हेयर ऑयलिंग के बिना कोई भी ग्लो अप स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकता मेरा. सो सबसे पहले हम करेंगे हेयर को ऑयल, और मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ कर रही हूँ दिस वन फ्रॉम सनफ्लावर, एज आई ऑलवेज यूज़ दिस वन. एंड यस, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द हेयर ऑयलिंग फर्स्ट. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface. Everything is peachy. So I will oil my hair each and every strands. Split personality. Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And my hair has grown little. जब मैं बोटॉक्स करवाया था तो मेरे बाल बिल्कुल इतने से हो गए थे, एंड अभी तो थोड़े ग्रो हो चुके हैं. एंड मैं सोचूं कि मैं वापस से अपने हेयर कट करा लूँ because it's just falling too much nowadays. I don't know why. When I went my home, my hair was not at all falling. It was like only 3-4 strands, and now I'm just losing my hair each and every day around this much. So now I'm just so much tense. And I have also ordered Wishcare hair growth serum. Actually initially I used that, but I didn't like it, and I felt that it is not suitable for my scalp. But then again I used it, and that time it was working well, so I just ordered a big bottle. It is for around 2K, and it's raining here. Just this much, and this much hair I will lose while washing my hair as well. So I'm just so much tensed, maybe because of my sleeping schedule and too much tension, stress and everything is going on. So maybe that's why, but I'll fix it. So I'll keep this hair like oil for around 1 to 2 hours, and then I will wash it off. And today I have not applied hair in my length because I'm gonna apply hair mask, which is Dove 10-in-1. So I will apply that in my hair length, and I'll keep it for 30 minutes. So I'll show you guys that time. Now I will do my gua sha routine. So this I got from Savannah, and it's not that expensive actually, and it is very good for puffy face and to make your face unsafe. So you have to do like this. So first of all we need to apply some moisturizer or something so that it should get slippery, and it should glide properly and easily. So for that I used to use coconut oil, but currently I don't have. So today I'm going to use this aloe vera gel, and इसको अच्छे से अप्लाई करके और फिर हम अपना गुआशा इस पे ग्लाइड करेंगे, सो दैट कि जो भी पफिनेस है वो चला जाए, एंड ब्लड सर्कुलेशन जो है वो अच्छे से हो पाए. एंड वो आपके जॉ लाइन को भी साफ करता है अगर आप इसको डेली या वीक में एटलीस्ट 3 टाइम्स करते हो तो. So yes, and I always keep this in my freezer. So you keep it in freezer so it will give you that cooling effect. And yes, so this is how I do. You have to start from your chin area till the back, and of course it will make your face red because ये ब्लड सर्कुलेशन पे बहुत ज़्यादा इससे वो इफ़ेक्ट पड़ता है, एंड इस वजह से आपका फेस जो है वो वहाँ पे रेड रेड सा हो जाता है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ आई डू एटलीस्ट 30 times. It will make your chin area sharp. See the jawline. Easily it's gliding on aloe vera gel. And if you have face oil, you can use that jade roller. I think this is what it's called. So you can do like this on forehead. Wow, this is just so soothing and so calming. And for this you can do like this. Just washed my face and now I'm applying hair mask. So this is I'm using from Dove 10-in-1 hair mask. I have heard so many good feedback about this product, so I just wanted to give it a try. So let's start. Let's apply today and see how it works on my hair. So this is just so creamy. We are not gonna paste this product because we are in India. So this is our nature, that we do not waste anything. So I'm going to apply this from length to tip. We'll cover it fully and we'll keep it for 30 minutes and then I'll take a shower. Until then I will apply face mask, face pack, homemade face pack, which I have already shared with you guys so many times. You can watch my last hair care video. In that also I have shared my face mask which I make at home for tan removal and brighten skin. I don't know why I'm telling screen. See the hair fall. So I will just cover all my hair and I'll keep it for 30 minutes. I am back and now we will apply this face mask, body mask, whatever you say, face pack, body pack, whatever. So I am gonna apply this on my face and my hand and my neck, all over my body. This will help you to remove tan and give it that bright and smooth skin. So apply it all over your face, neck, wherever you have tan and black skin, which is from dirt or damaged skin, there you can apply and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes and then I'll meet you guys after shower. Hello guys, so I am back from the shower and I used the same shampoo which I have shown in my previous video. So that is a L'Oreal glycolic acid shampoo, I guess. So yes, just give me 1 second. Now I will start with my skincare and body care. So I have shown this toner so many times in my video, so I use this only. This is just so hydrating toner. And I keep my toner in frizz to get that cooling effect. See after that face mask how clean my face is. And you can see the gua sha effect. So for my body, I have recently purchased this Vaseline Gluta Hya Flawless Glow Serum and Lotion. Serum in lotion. So this was actually viral for some times, I think, and I have seen so many people using this. So this is how it looks, and I will apply this all over my body. So, and please ignore the mess behind because Nowadays I'm a bit busy in doing my work, so that's I'm not getting time to clean all those messes. So yeah, and I don't know, I don't see glow, but yes, it's giving glow. But the fragrance is not good actually. I'm not liking this fragrance so quickly, and I think it will provide that hydration. So worth buying this, I think so. और अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व हो चुका है. So now I'm going to use this glycolic bright dark spot brightening face serum. This is for dark circles. So I'll use this because I have so much pimples, I mean dark spots in my face. So that's why I just bought this. This is how it looks. So let's see. Okay. So this is from L'Oreal Paris. So today I'm skipping this Smell Nuisance Serum as I have already used the L'Oreal one. So now I will use my moisturizer, a bit amount because wow, I'm just loving my skin now. It's so clean, clear and smooth. So do try that face pack, guys, and let me know your feedback. You can see it has brightened my hand also. So moisturizer is also done. So the next step is sunscreen. So I'm using this Aqualogica, and I have ordered a Dot and Key sunscreen and moisturizer both because I got some small pouch of Dot and Key moisturizer free while I ordered something from Blinkit. So and I applied that and I used it for a week, and I felt very good that it's working very good on my skin. And my skin is little dry, and winter is coming soon. So I just ordered Dot and Key in Nykaa pink sale, and also I ordered Dot and Key sunscreen blueberry one. So I will give you the feedback once I will use that. Lip, I will use this lip balm, lip oil, lip gloss, whatever you say. Wow. So now I'm done with my skincare and body care, but however I will use this body oil from Plum just because of fragrance, and good, it works very good, and the fragrance is so good because you will apply, you will feel like you are in bakery or something, and all the vanilla cakes and cupcakes are around you. So this is also very good, and it will lock the moisturizer as well. Whatever moisturizer we have used, it will lock in your skin. So I do apply few amounts on my hand and my feet, everywhere. I always wrap my hair with some old t-shirt, or I forgot my pink hair towel which was, so this is how my hair is looking currently, and it's wet. So I will apply this serum from Tresemme. Oh, what the hell. Just in length and end. That's why. So this is what it is, and I'm done with my glow up routine. So yes, this is what I do for the glow up, and every weekend and wherever I go on trip or something. So, and I'll do my nails also, but I have ordered and I will receive tomorrow, so I'll use it tomorrow. And yeah, day after tomorrow I'm leaving. So yes, this is the update. And yeah, if you like my content and this video and any video on my channel, so do subscribe my channel and hit the red button, and also the notification bell, so that you can get each and every notification whenever I upload my content and video on YouTube. So yes, I'll meet you guys in my next one. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye, take care, and wish me happy birthday as well. So yeah, bye bye.